Picture this, a world where artificial intelligence is at the forefront of combating climate change. Our planet is in a state of distress, facing a crisis of unfathomable proportions. Climate change, a phrase that has become all too familiar, is no longer a distant prophecy, but a stark reality. With rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and unpredictable weather patterns, the effects of our actions are becoming increasingly evident. But as we grapple with the enormity of the situation, there's a glimmer of hope emerging from an unexpected ally: artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's often referred to, is not just about robots and sci-fi movies. It's a powerful tool that's being harnessed to tackle some of the most pressing issues of our time, and climate change is high on that list. AI is proving to be a game changer in the battle against global warming, opening new avenues and providing innovative solutions. Take energy optimization, for instance. AI is helping us become more energy efficient, reducing our carbon footprint, and making the most out of our renewable resources. It's learning to predict our energy needs, adjust consumption in real time, and even forecast energy production from renewable sources like wind and solar. Then there's weather prediction. We all know how fickle the weather can be, and climate change is only adding to the unpredictability. But AI is stepping up, using complex algorithms and vast amounts of data to predict weather patterns with remarkable accuracy, helping us prepare for extreme weather events and mitigate their impacts. And let's not forget environmental monitoring. AI is being used to track changes in our environment, from deforestation and soil degradation to changes in ocean temperatures and polar ice caps. So as we stand at this intersection of AI and climate change, it's clear that AI has a pivotal role to play. Stay tuned as we delve into real-life examples of how AI is making a difference. Let's take a closer look at how AI is optimizing energy usage. The story of Google and DeepMind AI offers an inspiring example. Google, a company known for its pioneering spirit, used DeepMind AI to significantly reduce its energy consumption. Their primary focus was their data centers, which, like many other data centers worldwide, consume vast amounts of energy for cooling purposes. DeepMind AI, a cutting-edge artificial intelligence system, was tasked with this energy optimization challenge. The system learned to predict the incoming computational load of these data centers and adjust the cooling systems accordingly. This proactive approach was a game changer. No longer were the cooling systems running at full capacity all the time, but only when necessary. The result? A staggering 40% reduction in Google's data center cooling bill. Now you might be thinking, that's great for Google, but what does it have to do with climate change? Well, consider this. Data centers worldwide are expected to consume 1/5 of the world's electricity by 2025. A 40% reduction in energy consumption for cooling could have a monumental impact on our global energy demand. Moreover, AI optimization doesn't stop at data centers. It extends to our homes, offices, and cities, optimizing heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, known as HVAC. By learning our habits and preferences, AI can adjust these systems to operate at peak efficiency, minimizing energy waste and reducing our carbon footprint. And let's not forget about renewable energy sources like wind and solar power. AI can optimize these systems too, predicting energy production based on weather forecasts and adjusting distribution accordingly to prevent energy waste. As you can see, AI has the potential to make a significant impact in the energy sector. By optimizing energy usage, we can reduce our carbon footprint and make strides in the fight against climate change. This is just one of many ways artificial intelligence is being used to tackle this global challenge. Now, let's turn our attention to how AI is advancing our ability to predict weather patterns. Imagine if we could predict the weather with pinpoint accuracy, not just for the next day, but for the next week or even the next month. Sounds like science fiction, right? But with the help of artificial intelligence, this could soon be our reality. Take IBM's Global High-Resolution Atmospheric Forecasting System, or GRAPH for short. This AI-powered weather forecasting model is a game changer. It can provide highly detailed weather forecasts globally, even in remote areas where data is scarce. GRAPH's predictions are updated every hour and reach a resolution of 3 kilometers. That's like having a weather station every 3 kilometers across the globe. But how does it work? Graph uses machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data from a multitude of sources. It takes into account everything from traditional weather station readings to data from aircraft sensors, smartphone barometers, and even tweets about the weather. The system then crunches these numbers and spits out a detailed forecast. The implications of this technology are massive. Better weather predictions can help us prepare for severe weather events, reducing their impact and potentially saving lives. They can also optimize farming practices, helping farmers know when to plant, irrigate, and harvest. This can result in better crop yields and more sustainable farming practices. But the real game changer is in the context of climate change. As our planet warms, weather patterns are becoming increasingly erratic and unpredictable. Accurate and timely forecasts are more crucial than ever. They can help us understand and anticipate these changes, giving us a fighting chance to adapt and mitigate their effects. So while we can't control the weather, AI is giving us the next best thing: the ability to predict it with unprecedented accuracy. With AI, we can hope to be better prepared for whatever the weather throws our way. But AI is not just predicting the future, it's also monitoring the present. Consider a world where we could keep tabs on every square inch of our planet in real time. Sounds like science fiction, right? But thanks to artificial intelligence, this vision is becoming a reality. Take, for instance, Microsoft's AI for Earth initiative. This ambitious project uses AI to monitor, model, and manage natural systems. It's like giving Mother Nature a health checkup, and the doctor is a sophisticated AI. Through the power of machine learning, AI for Earth can analyze vast amounts of data from satellites, drones, and ground sensors. It can track changes in the environment, from the shrinking of polar ice caps to the growth of rainforest vegetation. It can even monitor the movements and population sizes of endangered species. But this isn't just about observing, it's about understanding. By analyzing these environmental changes, AI can help us identify patterns and trends. It can show us the impact of human activity on our planet in stark, undeniable detail. Think about it. If we can see the consequences of our actions, we're more likely to change our behavior. If we can see the forests disappearing, we might think twice about chopping down that tree. If we can see the polar ice caps melting, we might think twice about burning fossil fuels. But AI for Earth goes even further. It's not just about identifying problems, it's about finding solutions. By modeling different scenarios, this AI can help us predict the outcomes of our actions. It can help us decide which strategies will be most effective in combating climate change. So, what does this all mean? It means that AI is giving us a new perspective on our planet. It's allowing us to see the world through a lens of data and analysis, rather than through the narrow view of human perception. And with this new perspective, we can better understand the challenges we face, and more importantly, how to overcome them. With AI, we have a powerful tool to keep an eye on our planet. So what does the future hold for AI and climate change? As we look forward to the potential future developments at the intersection of artificial intelligence and climate change, it's clear that the possibilities are as vast as they are awe-inspiring. The power of AI is being harnessed to tackle the world's most pressing issues, and climate change sits at the very top of that list. Imagine a world where AI systems can predict extreme weather events with pinpoint accuracy, providing us with precious time to prepare and mitigate disaster. This is not a distant dream, but a reality that researchers and scientists are tirelessly working towards. Or consider energy usage. Has the potential to optimize our energy consumption to unprecedented levels. It could create smart grids that manage energy distribution efficiently, reducing wastage and lowering our carbon footprint. It could also streamline renewable energy sources such as wind and solar, making them more reliable and effective. Furthermore, AI could revolutionize environmental monitoring. It could track changes in biodiversity, detect deforestation, and monitor the health of our oceans in real time. This would give us the knowledge and tools to protect our precious ecosystems more effectively than ever before. But these advancements are not just possibilities, are necessities. As the clock ticks on our climate crisis, the need for innovative and effective solutions is more urgent than ever. AI provides us with a powerful tool to combat climate change, but it's up to us to harness its potential. Indeed, the road ahead is filled with challenges and uncertainties. But with every challenge comes an opportunity. The opportunity to innovate, to adapt, and to create a sustainable future for our planet. The ongoing research and development in this field have the potential to drastically alter the course of our climate future. And with every breakthrough, we move one step closer to a sustainable, climate-resilient world. The future is not set in stone, but with AI, we have a fighting chance against climate change. Isn't it time you learn more about this powerful tool? If you like this content, consider subscribing to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.